Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 9 raised to power t equals 18. You have to find the value of t. So how we will start solving this question? We will solve this as we have 9 raised to power t equals 18. That means we will take log on both sides. So take log on both sides. So log of 9 raised to power t equals log of 18. Power is in the start, or log 9 can be write as 3 squared. Its power is t equals log of 18. So we have log 3 raised to power 2t equals log of 18. Now we will solve this as power is in the start. Its mean 2t is in the start. Log of 3 equals log of 18. Now we will write log of 18 divided by log of 3, and this side is 2t. 2t will equals log of 18 means log of 3 times 18 is divided by 3, we get 6, then 2 divided by log of 3. Now this is 2t equals log of 3 plus log of 3 plus log of 2 divided by log of 3. So we get 2t equals log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 2 by log 3. Now power is in the start, and we have this as 2t equals log 3 and log 3 are cancelled out. 2 plus log of 2 by log 3. Now value of t will be 2 by 2 plus log 2 by 2 log of 3. This is cancelled out and t equals 1 plus 1 by 2 log base is 3 and 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.